Okay, in this section now we will be defining the data slots that we want to use. If you see, we had already provided first name, last name and full name. Now let's add them to our work step. Do a right click properties on your first step, click on fields, add first name and last name. Let's make it required. Last name also, let's make it required. Maybe we can improve our label a bit. Let's call it first name. Let's call this last name. We want these two to be entered by the person who's creating the request. Next we'll go to show full name, do a right click properties, fields, add. We'll again choose first name, last name and full name. Now here we'll move the last name up. Click on it. We don't want it editable. Let's give the label first name. Last name also not editable. Full name not editable as well. Now we want is that the user enters first name, last name, the adapter is gonna do the appending and the final result is gonna show up on show full name. If you recall, the performer of the show full name was the value in full name performer. So what I'll do is I'll go to perform data slots tab and in full name performer I'll give a default value of Abhishek. So this is the performer for that. Coming back here, doing a right click properties on your adapter, go to data slots, click on add, choose first name, full name, last name, double click first name, it should go as an input to adapter, last name should go as an input to adapter, full name should come as an output from adapter. Okay, do a right click again and click open name appender.java. If you see, a lot of code has already been written for you. All that you need to do is write your logic here. The way adapters work is that first all the setters are called. Savvion passes on the data slots value along with it. After that your worker method is called, and at the end of it all the getters are called. So in order to do the appending, all that we need to do is do this dot full name is equal to this dot first name plus give a space plus this dot last name. We'll just add a debug line here. Okay, you're all set. Close it, save it, click on the tick mark to check if your diagram is complete. It is. So now we are all good to deploy our application.